Tech names have sucked the oxygen out of the room this year when it comes to investing, thanks to the interest in artificial intelligence year to date. Take a look at Microsoft, up 55%. Meta has gained 165%. NVIDIA, the chip maker for a lot of this technology, gaining 218%. While some investors are increasing their exposure to tech, and this kind of riffs off of what Ken Langone just said, our countdown closer says, hold on. Hidden stock gems are actually outperforming tech titans long term, and they've been around a long time. Joining us now with $1.3 billion in assets under management, CapWealth CIO Tim Pagliara. Okay, Tim, these names are more along the lines of the Home Depot type, right?
Absolutely, especially after hearing from a great American like Kenny Langone. You know, investors should be focused on Costco, Pepsi, Snap-on Tools. All of these companies have withstood the test of time, and they've outperformed the S&P 500 over the last 24 years.
Well, let's show some of that outperformance over the long term, because Ken just made the point, and it sounds like you are step for step with him, that it's very important to focus on investing versus trading, because even a smart guy like him has gotten the pants beat off him since, he tries to trade. He doesn't do it anymore. Look at Microsoft. So it has gained 674% since 1999. Snap-on, 805%. Costco, 1,127%. That's unbelievable. You wouldn't have thought that. But at the moment, how do you get people to look at that and say, oh, and by the way, some of these also pay dividends?
Well, unfortunately, a lot of investors will find out the hard way when the market sentiment shifts and there's a focus again back on earnings, dividends, valuation. Even a company like General Electric has outperformed NVIDIA in the last 2 years, even though NVIDIA has shined, obviously, this year.
It's amazing to me that you've got to start early to get that compounded interest and then hold on to it. We've got a Fed meeting really quick. You think that they'll cut by March? That's what the Fed funds futures are saying.
That's what the futures are saying. They need to get the yield curve established and get the inversion ended. So I think they'll cut for that purpose only, and the tremendous amount of pressure they have on refinancing $8 trillion worth of debt and the new debt that will continue to add.
Tim, I wish you hadn't said the D word, debt. It's great to have you, Tim.